Hola friends, it's me Sofia, and today we're making un cóctel de camarón, which is a shrimp cocktail. Alright friends, for cóctel de camarón, which is our delicious shrimp cocktail, we're using nothing but the best Philly seafood wild caught shrimp here in Texas. And with Lent being here, it's a great option, and it will also be one of these dishes that you will get to enjoy the whole entire summer. So, orale friends, let's get cooking. And today I'm using the vein tail-bone shrimp from Philly Seafood, which it happens to be a family-owned and operated company. And we are going to remove the tail. We're just gonna pinch and pull because we're gonna add all of this to our broth. I have 10 cups of water. We're gonna allow this to boil. We're gonna add a small piece of onion. We're also gonna add a bay leaf. We're gonna add salt. Cada quien. We're also gonna add a little bit of Old Bay. And we're gonna allow this to simmer up. Now we're gonna add all our tails to our broth. And we're gonna let this boil for a good 10 minutes. We're gonna need 2 cucumbers. We're gonna peel them off. And we're also going to take the seeds out. After peeling your cucumbers, cut the ends. Y no se le olvide, rub on both sides, okay? Then cut it the long ways, like this. Get you a spoon, and this is how you get all the seeds out of the cucumbers. Just like that, okay? We don't want the seeds. Also, with your tomatoes, you're gonna need 3 tomatoes. Cut them in half, and we're also going to remove the seeds from the tomatoes. Just do a little cut there, and get a spoon, and take the seeds out, okay? We don't want the seeds. You're also gonna need half of a medium red onion, okay? And we are going to chop this up. I'm using my chopper. I like all my veggies to be small and even. Also the tomatoes. Orale. And now the cucumbers. Les toca. And now we have all our veggies ready to go. And they're all the same size. And friends, you're gonna need some cilantro. It's gonna make a huge difference on tu cóctel de camarón. So don't forget the cilantro. So just cut a little bit at the end and start chopping. Make sure it's washed and clean. Now we are going to remove everything from our broth. Everything, tails, onion, bay leaf, okay? Make sure you get everything. Now we're going to add our shrimp, and we're only going to cook this for 3 minutes, no more. 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes, and our shrimp is ready to come out. Make sure you put it in ice cold water. And we're gonna make sure that they cool off all the way. You're gonna need about 2 cups of the broth, and it's hot. So I'm just gonna set it in the middle where the shrimp is cooling off in the ice water. There. You're gonna need some clamato. Okay, I got the picante, which is the spicy one. You can get the original one, okay, if you don't want it spicy. So shake it really good. We're gonna need about 4 cups. Okay, 1, 2, 3, y 4. Okay. Okay, after this, we're going to add a cup of ketchup, whatever ketchup. your choice. Así. My secret, orange soda. Yes, you're gonna add about, let's see, to be exact, 1, 2 cups of orange soda. It has to be orange, friends, okay? Okay, now you can find this at any store. Jugo Maggi, okay? Vamos a echarle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, something like that, okay? And we're also going to add some limes, of course. We're gonna add 2 limes. 2 limes, juicy limes, okay? Now we're going to add black pepper to taste. We're gonna whisk and whisk until all the flavors combine together. Okay. Now, salt to taste. Cada quien. Okay. And remember our broth? We're gonna add a little bit, about a cup. Maybe a little bit more. And this is ready, friends. This is ready. We're gonna add all our veggies. Todas, all of them. Now we're also going to add our shrimp. Leave a couple of them, friends, to decorate your cocktail. So add your shrimp. Now we're gonna add our cilantro. Es bien importante. We need plenty of it, okay? Plenty. And now we mix. Mix. Friends, our cocktail de camarón is ready. And don't forget that you can find Philly seafood shrimp at H-E-B, Albertsons, Sprouts Farmers Market, and shop locally. And just like that, friends, cocktail de camarón ready, and it is delicious, okay? And I have some chopped up serrano peppers here for people like myself that we like our food spicy. You can add as much as you want, okay? And also I have some avocado because you can have it with avocado. Yes, you can, but why would you? We're gonna add some tapatio sauce. You can also use Valentina sauce, both delicious. And just like that, friends, cocktail de camarón ready. Probadita, friends, probadita. Salió machine, friends. Machine. This is a must. This is a must.